Hi, it's Barbara Greenlee with Green Moon Stamp Studio, and in this video I'm going to show you some new online exclusives that are coming out at the beginning of July. It's a super suite, which means it's got several packages of paper and two bundles, this Golden Greenery and Greetings of the Season bundle, and then I'll also show you some cards that I made with this. I did 3 cards because I'm doing an upcoming Stamp-A-Stack class, and they're going to make a dozen of these cards. So let's get started. Okay, today I'm going to show you some of the products in the new online exclusives that are coming out July 3rd. I got these, I don't know, a week, 2 weeks ago, a week and a half ago, and I've already played with this suite. So I've got this Christmas suite to show you, plus a fall suite, and a few more Christmas items that are going to be in this release. And stay till the end because I'm also going to show you the 3 cards I designed using this Season of Green and Gold paper and suite collection. So this is a mega suite. So it comes with 2 packs of paper and 2 bundles. And then there's also another coordinating pack of paper as well. So let's start with this paper. This is the Season of Green and Gold 12 by 12. As you can see, it has gold foil accents. And I'm going to show you all the fronts of the paper, and then I'll show you the back. So there's this star pattern. This is my favorite, I think, is this vanilla and gold paper. This has the gold foil bells and some mistletoe and other greenery on it. And the die cuts will cut a lot of these images out. Not the double bells, those you would have to fussy cut, but it does have the small bell and the big bell in the dies. This one's kind of like a diamond sort of pattern. And then here's another one that you can die cut out the greenery. So again, you've got pine and other greenery, and also you can die cut out the little berries as well if you want to. So here's the back sides. The back sides are all different kinds of green patterns. I've got stripes and greenery and plaid and some texture, some mistletoe, and some polka dots. So there's all your different greenery. You know, the greens are mossy meadow, old olive, and garden green. So that's the Season of Green and Gold paper. And then there is Vellum. That is the other one in here. So look at this. These you can also die cut out images from. So this, you've got 2 sheets of this paper, and then you've got 2 sheets of this like snowy white vellum. I'm holding 2 at once. It's more see-through than that. Let me hold one at a time. I love this one. And then this one you can die cut out the pine branches, and you have some pine branches with snow and some without. So love that. Then there's this other paper that coordinates that is called Mercury Gold, or Gold Mercury Vellum. Check this out. This one kind of looks like an animal print to me, like leopard spots, but it's just splotches of gold foil. I'm holding 2 at a time again on the vellum. Try not to do 2 at a time. It makes it look thicker or more solid, but it is vellum. So, and this one is more like liquid gold poured on there. And then this one is more like splotches, a little more solid. I don't know, they're all different, but you get 2 sheets of each one, and you can, you know, die cut things with them. Not images, but you can die cut branches and things so that you have gold vellum branches. And it also comes with some embellishments. You've got this very vanilla satin ribbon. This is 3/4 of an inch wide. And you have these berries. So they're called cherry cobbler and pearl adhesive back berries. They have some that are clumped in 3s and then some that are singles. So you can, you know, put these on holly or put these on mistletoe or whatever you want. And then there's the actual bundles. So you have the bundle called Golden Greenery, and this one is the images that are in the set, the bells and the pine and the mistletoe. So there's the images and the dies for this one. And you get 3 that punch out the little holly berries or mistletoe berries, whatever you want to call them. And again, these open ones will punch out things that are in the papers. And then you can punch out additional things with the vellum using these. Make sure you stay till the end so you see the cards I made. This is the greeting set that comes with it. Greetings of the season, and you can mix and match all these words to make whatever greetings you want. And it comes with all these cool tag dies so that you can put your greetings on there, or you can actually make tags with them because they do have the hole already punched for you at the top, or you can just cover up that hole if you're not using it as a tag. So let me show you the cards I made. All right, so I made this one right here. These are for a Stamp-A-Stack class I'm doing. Everybody's going to make a dozen, 4 of each of these 3 designs. And I will have some more information on my blog post that's linked below about this class. It will be an in-person class, but if I have leftovers, I will mail order kits to people if there are some leftover kits. And there'll be information about how to get one of those. It'll require an order and a little bit of money for me to cover my supplies and mailing the kit to you. So this is my favorite one, I think, the vanilla card base one with that snowy vellum covering up this favorite sheet of mine. Love this. And I also use some of these adhesive back snowflakes on all 3 cards. This is the 3rd one. So I used that diamond pattern. I used the satin ribbon on 2 of these, and I cut out the bell from the paper. This is the gold Mercury paper that I just cut out a pine branch from, and the little group of berries for the mistletoe. And of course, gold embossing and some gold foil. I used a little bit of gold foil on these 2. So those are the 3 designs. Now, I also want to show you, as well as this suite, there are some more suites that are coming out with the same release. So we have the Frosted Forest. My clock is going off. So this one has masks. So you have 3 masks to do like I guess it's an oak tree. And then you have 3 masks that will do the Christmas tree, both sizes. So that's right here, both trees. You also have dies for the trees, plus some extra dies. There's some birds in there. But everything fits in your case if you store it that way. That's how I store mine. So that's the Frosted Forest bundle. There's also this sophisticated sled bundle. And this one is a sled with some ice skates and wreaths and dies. So that's going to be fun to play with. Haven't played with it yet. And there's also a Halloween one, but I don't have the Halloween one. My daughter ordered that one. I should have went and borrowed it so I could show you. But this Changing Leaves bundle, this one is the fall bundle. They've got, you know, all your fall holidays covered, you know, fall, Christmas, and Halloween, all in this exclusives that are coming out. These have these dies, and then there's also the dies that fit into the hybrid embossing folder that's part of the bundle. So if you don't know how hybrids work, on the logo side, you just snap this die into place. Once you get it in place, it won't move on you. And then you put your paper there and close it up, run it through your embossing machine, and you will have die cut and embossed leaves. So those obviously are these 3 big leaves here, so lots of options to use the stamps and the dies and the embossing folders with that. And there also is another roll of ribbon that goes with the fall stuff. This is woven ribbon, and it's in cream. So it kind of has a woven texture, a fabricy, woolly texture on the front. It's very soft. And there's also these pecan pie and clear ribboned adhesive back dots. These are pretty cool. They have like a little ribbon crosshatch design inside the dots. So don't know if you can see that on camera, maybe in the clear ones. But these are pretty cool. I like them. They're not raised too high. They're more like the epoxy dots as far as the feel and the height of them. Plus, I think you could also use them with the Christmas suite because they kind of read gold when you put them on here. So you get some of these too, and you can mix and match with the 2 suites. And I believe I've shown you everything. So again, if you are interested in getting this kit, or if you're close to me and want to attend class in person, either way, click on my blog post link below and take a closer look at these and get the information for that class. Thanks.